Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to talking about very interesting topic, which is 5 common mistakes during kissing. If you are new to this channel, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to turn on all notifications so you will get notified every time when we upload a new video. Kissing someone is not rocket science, rather it's the art of caressing someone you love. But while kissing we can often unknowingly make mistakes that can be a disaster. Stop wondering why she does not like it when you kiss. Here is a list of 5 common kissing mistakes to help you out. 1. Bad breath. This is a big turn-off for almost everyone and probably the most basic blunder. Chances are good you might never kiss the same person again. Do something to fix it. Drink plenty of water every day to keep you hydrated and rinse away food odors. The fastest remedies are mint mouthwash, gum, or breath fresheners. Avoid drinking alcohol, smoking cigarettes, or eating fish, onions before your date or when you plan to romance your partner. Hygiene is important and you should maintain it. If you have rotten teeth, fix them by seeing your dentist. Brushing your teeth is not enough, floss also, and don't forget to brush your tongue. Make sure your mouth is clean before you kiss. 2. Fast and furious. Usually women like to kiss slowly with seductive movements. Don't go too fast or push your partner so hard that it hurts. Being too aggressive will spoil the moment. Pay attention to the response from your partner when you kiss them and proceed accordingly. If your guy is consistently resistive, slow down and back off a little. Each seduction has its own pace and you should act accordingly. 3. Involving tongue. This is something which requires your own judgment. At first you should kiss just using your lips without tongue. Tongue should enter the picture naturally, don't force it. Don't put your tongue into their mouth all at once, let it go slowly. See the reaction first then proceed. If you are going to French kiss, take your tongue back every once in a while and let your partner crave and chase it. 4. All wet. This can be a little creepy. Don't get carried away and put your saliva on your partner's face, nobody likes it, it can ruin the experience and embarrass you later. Control your tongue and saliva, the trick is to swallow it. 5. Hands involvement. The movement of your hands matters. Not using hands while kissing is missing out on half the pleasure. Use your hands in the right place, don't get too pushy, but caress the face and head, the neck a little, then move on to other pleasure zones. Seduce your partner gradually. Sometimes let your partner lead and you just enjoy. One more thing, don't keep your eyes open while you kiss. Tilt your head to the right and kiss naturally. Don't get nervous or stop breathing. This will make you look odd.